Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. That way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere and you don't end up spending thousands of dollars in future repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Edge, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2014. If you guys need to find where the air conditioner fuses are located, you're going to end up having multiple fuses in two different fuse boxes. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Well, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart on our YouTube channels. We show you how to fix transmissions, engine codes. This channel specifically will be for fuses guys, and we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now if you need help with anything, if you're in the middle of nowhere guys and you need to find, let's say, the fuse on that Ford Edge for a fuel pump, for anti-theft system, alarm system, ignition codes, fuel injectors, anything like that, all you have to do, find the video on our channel, watch it in less than a minute or two, you're back on the road guys. So that's why we make these videos, to save you as much money and time as we can. So guys, for the air conditioner now, which fuses we need to check, we will demonstrate on this generation Ford Edge right here. By the way guys, you have many hidden fuse boxes in that generation Ford Edge that most people do not know they exist. We'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Ford Edge. What you guys need to do now, you need to open the driver door, and once you open that door, on the driver's side under the dash, you see that's your parking brake panel. On the left side of it you have a cover. Remove it. You need to go upside down there, remove that cover, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, the fuses that we will explain, we will demonstrate today, they're for multiple things: climate control, air conditioner, clutch, AC system, AC compressor, multiple things. So we will explain about many fuses, even the blower motor fan fuse, because if that fuse doesn't work, your AC will not work guys. Also, if you want to see why air conditioner doesn't work or why air conditioner blows warm air, we have videos on the channel that will teach you all about that. Here, what we need to start now guys. Okay, first we need to check fuse number 37. We're talking about this 10 fuse here. Then we need to check fuse number 46, that 10 fuse right there. After that we need to go ahead and open the hood on that Ford Edge. Then here on the driver's side, on the right side of your car battery, you have a fuse box. Open that cover, you have two notches lifted up, and underneath you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly here which fuses we need to check. Multiple fuses, okay, will specifically need to be checked, and the first one is fuse number 18. We're talking about that fuse right here, J-case fuse. Then if you need to buy any of these fuses and you need to find them, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. The next fuse that you need to check specifically is fuse number 62 guys. 62 is a little bit tricky. It starts on this side, 56, 7, 8, 9. So it starts like this one. Even if it's empty spot, you count it: 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62 right here. Check that fuse. Then you need to check fuse number 70. So that's 67, 68, 69, 70 right here. And we have one more fuse that's for the AC clutch, very important fuse specifically. That's a diode fuse, and that's fuse number 75. Doesn't look like a fuse, but that's a diode fuse that you will need to check right there. All these control the AC system. So guys, this generation Ford Edge has all kind of different fuses and relays. Fuses and relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you live in a small town, if you're in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and as a result we were stuck there for a few days until shipment came. So we'll recommend to keep some of those spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind, so that thing doesn't happen with you. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.